Any classic configuration can be built by using Vanguard's Create a Shelf support system. Begin by measuring and marking the shelf height. The shelf support is set against the wall and adjusted until level. Using the support holes as guides, punch through the drywall with a 3/8" drill bit. You'll note that the supports have hole templates for both the 12 and 16" shelves. The patented wall anchors are then pushed through the shelf support into the pre-drilled holes. Next, accompanying spread pins are inserted into the anchors and then driven into place, ensuring positive contact. The support is now firmly secured to the wall. This unique system uses shear force on the anchors, resulting in an incredibly strong shelf, capable of holding several hundred pounds. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. For shelves in excess of 3 to 4 feet, a stud-mounted center support is recommended. Mark the proper height of the center support by subtracting 5/8 from the shelf height. The center support uses a backplate that is screwed into the stud. After the wood screws are applied, the support is snapped over the backplate, conveniently covering the screw heads for a professional-looking installation. Next, the closet width is measured for the shelf and rod length. The Vanguard system supports both 5/8" and 3/4" melamine shelving. And Vanguard's adjustable closet rods add to the professional finish. Using the Vanguard system, 3/8 inch are subtracted from the total measured distance. The shelf can now be placed onto the supports. You'll note that the shelf covers the wall anchors and pins, keeping them secure. And the shelf support has a lip, preventing the shelf from sliding forward. The shelf can then be secured to the center support. Finally, the rod is placed snugly into the end and center supports. Your installation is complete. A professional shelf and rod installation without any painting, gluing, nailing, or sanding. When time and cleanup are a concern, the Vanguard Create a Shelf system is ideal. This simple installation from start to finish, including cutting, can be completed in under 4 minutes.